Hi guys and welcome back to the Mic Drop with me, Rajiv Adatia. Today I have a very special guest, one of my oldest friends in the industry, who I can say is one of my closest, my best friend. And she's none other than the new BBOTT3 winner, Sana Maqbool. What's up, Sana?
I think it's both of us का win.
अच्छा?
Yeah.
क्यों ऐसे?
बस मैं अंदर थी ये बाहर था.
हाँ, बाहर में बहुत support करता आपको, बहुत ज़्यादा.
I know.
But Sana, just to start off with, I know दोस्त हो तो मतलब you're thinking I'm saying from a friend's perspective, but I'm very proud of you. And I think the way you played in the house was incredible. I was obviously probably the early person tweeting like mad every day and shouting and screaming at the screen, Sana, come on, let's do this.
When I came out of the house, the first thing my mother told me that is, Rajiv supported you a lot. And I looked at my mother and I said, हाँ, उससे तो करना ही था.
अच्छा, shorty से बोली थी कि मैं करने वाला था.
Of course, I mean, we are friends.
For a very long
For
time.
a very long time, and we ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं जाता जब हम बात नहीं करते. Even if he's in London, he calls me like दिन भर
4-5 बार तो बात होती है.
फोन करता ही करता है. I think 1.5 month वाला जो phase था, it was very difficult because Rajiv has a habit, I have a habit, छोटी मोटी बातचीत कुछ भी हो.
सुबह के first phone is Sana Maqbool.
So I think it was really difficult, but I think we managed.
And the funny thing was when I went to Big Boss the first time, but in 15, only time, she was supposed to come in that season, There's a story behind this, we won't say that much, but I was actually hoping she would come in my season. But when she told me she's doing OTT, she goes to me, मैं जीत के आऊंगी बाहर. I was like, तू कैसे बोल सकती इतना मतलब confidence से?
No, but I don't know. I think 4 साल से मेरे पीछे थे तो I was like I want to be mentally ready to to be doing this show, and I don't know, it just आप एक अंदर की आवाज बोल लो या inner intuition बोलो, gut feeling बोल दो. So I had this thing with me कि मैं जा रही हूँ, this is my season.
Yeah.
I don't know about winning, but I told everybody, I said, this is my season, watch me out.
Yeah.
And I think, yeah.
When you went in the house, I was scared too. I was like, जाएगी, सबकी band बजा के आएगी. I was like, Sana तू जा, सबके फोड़ के आना वहाँ पर.
I think you remember the day जब मैं जा रही थी, I think 2-3 दिन पहले मैं बात की. एक दिन पहले ही मैंने बात की.
नहीं, van से ही बात की हमने.
नहीं, but remember.
Psyching you up.
Yeah, I was just getting ready for everything. So I think मेरे को ना अंदर से jitters हो रहे थे how it's going to be. So Rajiv was very sure कि ठीक है. मैंने कहा do you think मुझे episodes देखना चाहिए? He's like, नहीं ठीक है तू कर ले जैसे तुझे चाहिए. So I think few episodes he was like तू देख ले how the show runs. I said नहीं, I don't want to go with that mindset. I don't want to watch the show. So I think we discussed everything कि क्या होगा.
We discussed every scenario. कि क्या होगा, मतलब हमने सब discuss किया, तो ये होगा तो ये करना, ये होगा तो ये करना.
तो वो करेंगे.
But the one thing that actually stood out the most was your pair of earrings. But you were so stylish dressed in that show. The new pair of earrings every day.
But then still people said that I was planned winner.
वो तो भैया बिल्कुल नहीं था, मैं बोल सकता हूँ. In fact, there was a time in the show I was thinking, I hope she wins, I hope she wins. Because you never know now, because with everyone coming on the show, people's fan followings are bigger also, so you never know.
Of course. I mean, when I went to the show, there were people way more number count की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो way more bigger numbers than mine. I mean, I felt I was a nobody.
Yeah.
But when I went inside, एक होता है ना, एक vibe होता है, एक aura होता है, एक energy होती है. I mean, I know that I'm a person who can stand out, and I do. But in that house, I was like, there are people with millions of followers, there are people with, they're YouTubers, they're this, they're that. And I'm like, for me, I found myself like a peanut, like छोटू. उन सब के बीच में मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं दब जाऊंगी. But I mean, I shined. I mean, from the day one I entered, I saw the cast, like everybody who was there in the house. I'm like, okay, I stand somewhere. As I said, gut intuition hoti na, I had that thing with me.
And also I want to say that when you went in the house, people were saying, oh, she's two-faced, she's fake. किसी ने बोला मतलब वो तो
No, two-faced है, opportunistic है.
I was like, Sana's don't like this. I mean, what you're seeing is actually her. Like, I know. For years.
But then I feel I'm a very intimidating personality when it comes to being me, Not everybody would know me much better.
Disclaimer, never get on the wrong side of Sana Maqbool because she will sunaw you for it. सामने पीछे से वो तीर तो मारेगी, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि Sana Maqbool आपके साथ नाराज है.
So you know how
मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ, तो मैंने देखा है.
Forgive, but I will not forget what you did to me. Yeah. So I think I'm a person like that. And also, घर में लोगों को बोलो कि एक मेरी पर्सनालिटी ऐसी है कि उनको ऐसा लगता था कि शायद ओ शी इज way more higher, we are little this, but no, I'm just being normal, I'm just me. So I think a lot of people have that misconception about me कि ऐसी है वैसी है ये है अपने चौड़ में रहती है, but in real life also I am like that.
But see, Big Boss is a show where you're showing your personality and you're being you. And I know you for so many years, so I know this is Sana being her. And you're unapologetically saying, this is me, like it or leave it. And that's what the whole show is about, showing your real self. People fake it going in the house, thinking, look, let's act this way, or let's start fighting straight away, or let's start doing this straight away, which even in my season, people were trying to act to the camera. But you were just you from day dot, not taking notes from anybody. Being you and Sana, you rocked and you blew the house.
You know, for me, I was like, when I go inside the house, for me, that's going to be my world for 1.5 months. I had that vision with me. As I said, I was mentally ready to be doing a show like that, to lock myself in a house where there is no window, there's nothing. I have to see the 16 people who I don't even know in my life. So I think मुझे ऐसा था कि मैं जहाँ जा रही हूँ वहाँ मेरे लिए I'm gonna make sure that this is my world and I'm gonna live with it. So Ranveer ji or anybody XYZ for me was like कि just like how you live in a house, right? So for me it was like ठीक है. I had fights, I had disputes, I had arguments, I had things. बुरा बोला, बुरा सुना, बहुत सी चीज़ें हुई. But then when you come out of that house, I feel I want to leave everything there in that house. But once I came out, I was like ठीक है, मैंने भी बहुत बोला. I will not say, I did not say.
बहुत बोला है भैया. But no, you defended yourself, Sana. I think more than anything, you didn't do it. I know you as a person that doesn't really say things for the sake of just saying it. You will not get that stage of anger unless someone provokes you.
So, you know, a lot of people try to suppress me, like try to tame me down, but I'm a tigress or I'm a lioness. You know, I'm not going to bow down on anybody. If you give me, I'm going to give you back.
And you gave back.
I gave back, yeah.
A lot. I mean, there's some scenes in the house I'd seen, you know, initially about some makeup. You want vanilla? You want strawberry? You want this? You want that? I was like, Sana is on a roll. But no, it did hurt me, Sana. Like, I knew you for so many years, and I never saw a tear come out of your eye in the last 17 years I've known you. But in that house, I saw a very different side to you, which I got affected by because we talked so much on the phone. To the last day when you were actually going in the house. I think I was one of your last phone calls, right?
Yeah.
And like, I'm going in. I'm like, go, go, go. And I was fully depressed for a month because I'm like, my phone's quiet. Who am I going to speak to? You know, because you wake up, Sana.
Who's gonna give me
Sana, ye hua.
Sana, yeah, I think.
So that thing, I was a bit jealous because they were with you, but you kept on mentioning my name in the house. So thank you so much.
I did.
Glad you missed me. But I got a bit upset, you know, when the people were saying things to you, like, you know, Ranveer ji was quite rude to you at times. And you see, we all respect him. He's a senior actor in our industry, and we have to give him that credit also. I didn't understand it too much because I'm not there, so obviously you're living in the house. But I felt your responses were right and dignified in a way because you were getting attacked. But I think Big Boss is such a mental house at the same time. It's like therapy. I thought it was therapy because when I went in the house, I came out loving myself more. Did you feel like, you know, like what's that word? I found out who I was in the house. For me, I accepted myself more. And my own identity came out when I came out of that house. Because remember before that, I was always someone's brother, someone's friend, someone's this, someone's that. I had my own identity. Did you feel that like you had your...
Not really. I mean, you know, I've always been me, whether it's anywhere. I mean, you've known me for years. There are other people, you know, work professionally, personally. I've been like this, the way am I. I cannot butter. I'm somebody who's not gonna... You cannot suppress me. You cannot tame me down. You cannot give me orders. I'm a very bossy girl. I am somebody who will never work under anybody, you know. So for me, I'm my own queen. And whether you like it, you take it, whatever. It's totally up to you. But I am going to be me. So I had this thing. A lot of people told me a lot of things. And I think I was the most attacked person in the house.
Well, you know the saying, right? The most attacked always wins.
Is it?
Yeah, if you get... The secret of Big Boss is this. If you get told off the most, if you get attacked the most, if you are in the most problems, first of all, the footage comes from when you're there. That's why everyone goes and fights straight away because they want the footage. So if you're getting attacked the most and ये सब कुछ हो रहा है आपके साथ, मतलब इसका मतलब ये है कि आप बहुत limelight में आ रहे हो और मतलब वो चीज़ है.
But you know, मुझे पता नहीं, मेरी personal life में भी मैंने observe किया है. I don't want to be the drama, but I am the drama.
The drama follows you wherever you go.
Yeah, I like even if I don't talk bad about anybody, पता नहीं घूम फिर के ऐसा लगता है सना ने बोला, सना ने किया, ये किया, वो किया, whether it's personal, whether it's professional. I mean, you've known personally. I have a lot of friends where I am not the part of the drama, but it's always pinned at me.
नाम mention मत करना. But you know, I also feel कि तेरा आपका personality ऐसा है सना कि वो लोग ऐसे तब समटाइम्स सोचते हैं, हमारी मेरी बारी भी ये सोचते हैं कि ये सबके साथ दोस्त है, कुछ चालाकी कर रहा होगा कि क्यों सबके साथ वो है, पर मैं ऐसा इंसान हूँ कि सबसे साथ प्यार करता हूँ मैं. बट आई ऑलवेज बिलीव हमारा जैसे लोग हैं ना, पीपल आर इनसिक्योर वास कि हमारा ऑरा ज़्यादा ब्राइट होते हैं और वाइब्रेशन ज़्यादा ब्राइट होते हैं, तो ये हमारा अच्छा है.
And one more thing I've learned, बात उन्हीं की होती है जिनमें बात होती है. So yeah, why not?
हाई फाइव दैट डार्लिंग. आपने मतलब स्ट्रगल्स, वे बर्थ जो सीन स्ट्रगल्स, आई हैव सीन स्ट्रगल्स, उन्हें बहुत स्ट्रगल्स देखा है. एंड आई वाज इन टीयर्स. आई मीन जब आपने शो जीता था, आई रिमेंबर आशना वाज ऑन द फोन टू मी एंड आई स्क्रीम्ड द प्लेस डाउन इन पुर्टो रिको लाइक Sana won, because I was like, for the first time in my life, I thought you were the correct winner for this show, hands down.
A lot of people felt very happy I won, you know, a lot of people. I mean, whether I have gained a lot of women as my fans, as somebody they like, somebody they look up to. And I think that's my win.
But Sana, it wasn't always easy, no?
It wasn't always easy. I mean, I've just got my limelight, I would say. I've been in this line for a really long time. And for me, my struggles, I don't come from a filmy background, or I do not have anybody's hand on top of me. I am a self-made girl, and I'm very proud about the fact that I'm independent. I have made myself today where I am. I come from, like, come on. You know, there was this one thing where I said, "Mera andar ka naak pada mat nikalna." I come from a very, very low middle class, this to a middle class, and then now today where I am. So for me, I find, you know, achievement within me, but I don't have that pride. I'm proud, but there's no घमंड नहीं है, गुरूर, घमंड गुरूर नहीं है. मेरे को खुशी है that, you know, I've made myself. Today I can afford to have something which I want to, but still my needs and my demands have always been a very middle class girl. This.
आपको क्या, see, struggle की बात कर रहे हैं, तो we've been through ups and downs together. You see my journey, मैंने आपका जर्नी देखा है बहुत closely. जब बाहर आते लोग, anyone comes out big boss, उसको लगता है इतना बड़ा स्टार हूँ मैं, सुपरस्टार बन गया मैं, पर उसको पता नहीं कि मतलब which we all went through. उसको लगता है कि हमारे बच्चे से कोई पैदा ही नहीं हुआ है, because इतना फेम मिलता है. लोग का परसेप्शन चेंज होता है, लोग का माइंड सेट चेंज होता है, लोग का रिलेशनशिप चेंज होता है, तेरा नहीं बदला है. एंड मैं इस बात पे बहुत प्राउड हूँ आपसे, मतलब बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन आई फील यू नो दैट वी आर getting somewhere in a light where you are an example that people don't need to change because you get fame.
Yeah, and I don't want to change. I've seen fame. I have achieved a height of success at a very early age, and at that time I didn't value it. मुझे ऐसा लगा. I mean, for a middle class girl who's just 14, 15, she's doing a Star Plus big show. I was doing Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do at that time, and I was 15, 16, you know. So I think I was making a good amount of money. For a middle class girl, you know, I was underage. I was not even 18 above. So for me, I used to still share my bank account with my mother. And I've seen that for me, earning 20 lakhs a month is something which is a very big thing for me.
Huge
At that
thing.
2012 year mein, you know, it's a very big thing.
Huge thing.
So for me, तब मैं थोड़ी उड़ी थी, तब मुझे विंग्स लगे थे, मैं फ्लाई कर रही थी. आई वाज शॉपिंग नॉन स्टॉप. आई डिडंट वैल्यू मनी, आई डिडंट वैल्यू एवरीथिंग. फॉर मी आई वाज लाइक, ओह माय गॉड, आई एम डूइंग अ स्टार पर शो. एंड आई थिंक उसके बाद मैं फ्लैट गिरी ग्राउंड पे. यू नो, आई डिड बैक टू बैक मैंने शो किया था, मैंने इस प्यार किया, देन मुझे अर्जुन शो मिला था स्टार पे. सो माय journey not has always been the way it is. So for me, today I value things. Today I value money. Today I value people. Today I value my fame, my success. Big Boss gave me that opportunity, and which I've always said. And I think before going to the show, Khatron mein, again, the day I was spotted at the airport, my Instagram numbers were, I still remember, and I'm so proud about it. It was 200K. The next morning, the night I'm spotted, the next morning I reached on 400K. So it was an overnight. People liked me. People appreciated me. That who is she? They were curious to know that who is this girl. And I think I did good in the show also. I gained followers from there. So yes, slow and steady, कहते हैं ना, wins the race. For me, I am that turtle who's walking. It was 200K.
So Sana, मुझे एक चीज आपको पूछना है, हम थोड़ा हिंदी में बातें करते हैं।
मैं तो हिंदी में कर रही हूँ, आप ही लंदन से हो, इंग्लिश में कर रहे हो।
मतलब घर में, मैं जब था घर में तो मैंने एक भूत देखा, एक छोटी बच्चे की। और तुझे पता है ना, मैंने बोला था आपको, the first thing I asked when I came out the house was, सना आपने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया वहाँ?
मैंने आपको बोला
तो मुझे आपने बोला है, तो ये दर्शकों को बोलो।
तो आई थिंक मैं ना आई वाज स्लीपिंग एंड आई स्लीप लाइक उल्टा एंड माय हैंड्स आर ऑल एवरीथिंग फ्लैट में सोती हूँ।
वो तो ऐसे सोती है?
नहीं ऐसे सोती हूँ, एकदम उल्टा मतलब।
ऐसे?
हाँ
like a dead body?
not like a dead body straight, but I sleep ulta. And then I was sleeping, and I think it was 2:30 or 3 in the night. I don't know, but that's the time sometimes I do wake up 3:30 or 4. You know, I wake up pee, and you know, bedroom से वो washroom तक का रास्ता
कितना दूर है?
लंबा
एक माइल का बाहर आ जाएगा रास्ते में।
और ना वो emergency washroom खोलते थे, only at emergency वो खोलते थे। But yeah, so I think मैं उस दिन पी के लिए उठी नहीं थी, बट दैट वाज दैट वो आवर मेरा उठने वाला आवर होता है। तो मुझे नींद में से ना, मतलब पता नहीं मुझे किसने बोला, सना
क्या बात कर रही है?
ओह गॉड, मैं ऐसे उठी ऐसे, और मेरी फट रही थी कि
whispering, कोई whisper कर रहा था?
somebody whispered in my ear and I can clearly remember the word.
लड़की थी क्या लड़का था?
I don't know, somebody just said सना,
क्या बात कर रही हो?
on my ears, on my this ear. And then मैं ऐसी उठी, and मैं ऐसी my eyes were widened and I was like, पीछे देखूं नहीं देखूं, पीछे देखूं नहीं देखूं, पीछे देखूं नहीं देखूं। then मैंने कैसे कैसे करके हिम्मत करके मैंने ऐसे पीछे देखा।
कौन था?
कोई भी नहीं था।
हैं?
There was nobody.
पर किसने आपको पैर भी दिलाया ना? पैर के पैर के साथ
नहीं,
कुछ हुआ था?
पैर-
किसके साथ था वो?
पैर नेजी के साथ था।
नेजी के साथ क्या हुआ था उसके साथ?
The next morning I woke up and I shared this feeling with Nezy. I said, Nezy, तुझे पता है मेरे साथ ये हुआ? तो Nezy was like, Nezy was little shocked. He's like, मेरे साथ भी हुआ बम्माई। And I'm like, तेरे साथ क्या हुआ? So he shared his experience, I shared my experience, and we both looked at each other and I'm like, okay, is it good, is it bad? But I feel, I don't know.
वो घर में कुछ है, भूत तो प्रेत तो बहुत वो घर में है।
But you know,
उल्टा वास्तु हर घर में है, पानी है। I mean, the house is a madhouse, but I loved it.
But I loved it.
है ना? I miss that house sometimes.
Even I miss the house sometimes. You know, I was just telling, मैंने वहाँ से 4 दोस्त बनाए हैं, and I think I want to keep them in my life forever. And I think sometimes when we talk, you know, I miss the house, I miss the vibe, I miss the bond, I miss that bedroom, the kitchen, the living room, everything about that house I miss. And for me, it wasn't difficult. I was sorted, I was at peace. I felt secure in the house. I don't know why. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उस घर में. Initially थोड़ी डरी थी, but once I settled in, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Like I felt I'm cut off from the world, and this is my safe space. Like nobody can harm me, nobody can tell me anything.
So,
I like that.
जब घर से बाहर आई, जो मुझ में फील किया था, मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ, को पता है, पूरा इंडस्ट्री को जानता हूँ, इतना साल से ये काम किया मैंने, मैं थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटेड था सना, इन माई ओन पीपल, बिकॉज मैंने सबके लिए बहुत ताली बजाई पूरी लाइफ में, बहुत ताली बजाया, बहुत सपोर्ट किया है, सब लोगों को बहुत काम भी दिया मैंने, एंड व्हेन आई वेंट इन द हाउस, I thought 90% of people would repost stories for me or post a picture for me or do this for me. मैं गिन के 7-8 लोग बोल सकते हो जो किया, मैंने बोलता कि सब करूं, but people who actually तो मेरे थे ना, वो तो करते।
But you know, I've always told you this, expectations hurt. I think मैं जब घर में जा रही थी, you know Rajiv, though I always had that thing that okay, he's there for me, but I never expected. This is me.
Even from me, you never expected.
Never.
But but there's where you इसके जैसे बोलता हूँ कि वो टाइम है दोस्त दिखाने के लिए कि हम,
मुझे आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी।
Because मैं सच्चा दोस्त हूँ।
Yes, that's what. The day I came out, there were few people my mom has mentioned that these are your people, you need to keep them close. And एक मेरी and I really respect my mother. मतलब उसने जो बोल दिया पत्थर की लकीर है. So I think my mom when I came out, the first thing she said, she gave me a list of people. इसने तुझे support किया है. And I'm like, okay. So and they were my friends. मुझे उन्हें चू ना चा करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी. And you know how I don't expect anything from anybody. But when I expect, I expect.
लोगों का how do you say perception of you changed? People like were different towards you because जब मैं घर में बाहर आया था, people were like threatened of me somehow कि मतलब अच्छा वो NRI आया लंदन से और मतलब वो तो राजीव था पहले लंदन वाला, अब तो आया वो बिग बॉस में गया, इतना बॉम्ब लग गया, मतलब इतना फेम मिल गया उसको, फिर खतरों आया, उससे भी ज़्यादा हुआ, तो पीपल फैमिली थ्रेटिंग कि जो हमने 20 साल से किया इतना फेम नहीं मिला जो उसको 1 साल में मिल गया. But I just think as a refreshing thing for the industry. I think कि मेरा stint बहुत अलग था. Did you find that आपके साथ लोग
No, I think people, as it is, I am a very low-key person and I like to be like that. There are a lot of people who know me in the industry because I'm a TV person. मैं टीवी की लड़की हूँ तो मैं बहुत लोगों को टीवी इंडस्ट्री में जानती हूँ एंड या बट एज आई सेड आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन मी. सो जब मैं बाहर भी निकली मेरी लाइफ में कोई चेंज नहीं था. वो सेम लोग मुझसे बात करते थे.
चेंज आया बहुत.
नहीं इतना चेंज नहीं आया बट या देयर वर फ्यू पीपल यू नो जो मुझे कभी कई जगह इनवाइट नहीं करते थे. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई एम गेटिंग इनवाइट्स एंड आई एम लाइक ओके. बट जो मेरे अपने थे वो अपने थे. बट अ लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, नॉट माय फ्रेंड्स बट द वर्किंग फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ मैंने काम किया है जो सेम इंडस्ट्री से, दे ऑल वर वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू डिजर्व्ड इट. This was much needed. This was like this. So a lot of people told me this. I've never heard a bad comment except जो मेरे friends, as we were discussing, you know, few moment earlier, that आपके दोस्ती आपसे खुश नहीं है, आपके दोस्ती आपसे जलने लगे हैं. So except there are few in that category as well, जो they were not happy that oh my gosh, how come she won? There were people like that also. But it's okay. I mean, for me, I'm past above. सबसे आगे थी.
What was your worst day in the house? Well, you thought, I've had enough.
So for me, I'm a person who always have a backup. Okay, मुझे था कि अगर मैं एक हफ्ते में if I don't survive in the house, I have a backup. I will get out, irrespective of anything. So I think my backup was ready. I think first week I was fine. Second week मेरे पे जब थोड़ा attack हुआ host की तरफ से, so for me it was like कि क्या चल रहा है? And I don't know how am I being portrayed outside, right? Because you are really completely disconnected from the outside world. And I'm like, where am I going wrong? What am I doing? I don't know. मैं किसी की बुराई नहीं करती हूँ, कुछ नहीं करती हूँ, but क्यों मेरे पे ऐसा हो रहा है? And I think that was the time when one of my friend was kind of, you know, exiting, and I was like, listen, if it's, you know, I told her very secretly, like, कि अगर मेरा नाम या मेरी इमेज खराब हो रही है
एक देख के मुझे मारने का.
प्लीज कनेक्ट माय फैमिली एंड टेल देम दिस दैट आई हैव दिस मैसेज एंड
Yeah.
आई एम वेटिंग फ्रॉम देम. मैं अंदर घर में 2 हफ्ते में वेट कर रही हूँ कि यार अब कोई आएगा, अब मुझे बिग बॉस बोलेंगे, अब कुछ होगा. हो ही नहीं रहा. 2 हफ्ता हो गया, 3 हफ्ता हो गया. मैंने कहा देन समथिंग आई एम डूइंग राइट.
हमने सबने प्लान किया था. मैंने the friends that we had a group going. The first day मैंने बोला था जीत जाएगी, बिकॉज आपने इतना प्रेजेंस क्रिएट किया था घर में यार. और मुझे पता है कि जब मैं घर में गया था आई वाज क्लूलेस कि मेरा पहला शो था. आज का हेडलेस चिकन, मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहा कहाँ आ रहा हूँ, और मैं अलग जोन में चल गया था.
Me also I was lost.
नो सना, you made a very strong entry in the house. और पहला दिन से तू विनर मटेरियल थी और सबने बोल दिया था ट्विटर पर विनर पर पहला दिन से. And I told you this, that the first day we knew you were a winner. So that is a very big thing of yours.
But I was lost in the house. Like my friendship was questioned. Like a lot of things were questioned about me. You know, that she's this, she's that, she's this, she's this. Priority नहीं है, clarity नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. And I'm like, I am a confused person.
I remember one day, I think it was my birthday. 4 years ago, मुझे पता नहीं है कि आपका कॉल नहीं आया मुझे. आपका कॉल नहीं आया. हाँ. मुझे आपका स्टोरी भी नहीं आया. आज तक ये लड़की मुझे 17 साल मुझे माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड ना कॉल आया है ना स्टोरी लगाया. एंड नाउ यू नो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज इज वन थिंग आल्सो. वी डोंट पोस्ट, लोगों को बुरा लग जाता है. सो आई वाज लाइक मतलब वो तो बंदी मेरा तो पोस्ट करती तुरंत. वेयर शी गॉन? I'm thinking what is happening. Then I'm thinking in the morning क्या हो गया उसको. Then I was about to call you and you called me.
I called you in the afternoon as soon as I got out of my operation.
And you said Rajiv, a dog has bit me. So हाँ कहाँ, मतलब I thought leg, I thought thigh पे होगा. And when you said the dogs bit me my lip.
No, I video called you, remember?
तब तो ठीक था. But before you video called me, I thought bite meaning bite. मतलब ऐसे कुछ किया होगा. But Sana, when you told me the bite situation and I saw your stitches, I was like, if I was a girl, you know, it is tragic because you think my face is my work. Like, what do I do? How did you feel? Like, what happened? How did it all happen?
So it was pandemic का, you know, very extreme time था. And 2nd of May I still remember. तो तेरे बर्थडे के एक दिन पहले रात को I remember.
मेरा बर्थडे कभी नहीं भूलेगी तो अभी.
9:30, I think I was just chilling at a friend's house. It was a friend's dog, and I'm a pet lover. I mean, I love pets. Dog हो, cat हो, any kind of pet. I love pets. अब ये dog को पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
प्यार हो गया तेरे से भाई.
भाई देखो इतना प्यार हो गया कि he kissed me for life.
निशानी पड़ गया तुझे for life से.
नहीं, but remember there's this story where a frog kisses the girl and she becomes, you know, that frog and the princess's story. But in my case,
क्या होता है काला कुत्ते ने काट लिया. ये सच में काला कुत्ते ने काट लिया.
उसके बाद you know how my reaction was. I was like, अब मुझे कोई कुत्ते पसंद नहीं है. Whether it's human or it's animal. But no.
जाते हैं.
But yeah, but I don't know. I mean, he was right in front of me and I went like to him. And I don't know. वो बस I think उसे पता नहीं था कि किस कैसे करते हैं. क्या पता नहीं. He just.
ना वो कुत्ता है उसको पता नहीं किस कैसे करना है. तू करके उसको पता नहीं तुझे किस.
अरे but dogs growl ना, they bark, they give you warning that don't come close to me. This one didn't give anything.
That's going viral by the way.
He was like a human. You know, he was like a human. मैं इसको करने गई. वो बस चढ़ गया मेरे पे.
Let me just explain this to you. No make fun of the situation. I'm a dog. You're a human. करते हैं तो उसको तो आए करेंगे.
वो आ गया इंसान की. Sorry.
इंसान ही बढ़ा दिया उसको.
He just came. He didn't say anything. मैंने तो वो आ गया और वो आया and करके और मैं 2 मिनट के लिए ऐसे स्टैचू. तो मेरी फ्रेंड जिसकी मॉम थी, everybody is like very hassle. कि अरे सना को डॉग ने काट लिया, सना को ब्रूनो ने काट लिया.
But did you realize it happened like that bad?
No. So I didn't see my face. मेरा cupid bow, the center area. So since my lip was like this, so this was taken.
Completely
And
out.
I still have a scar here, but they started like looking stitch कर दिया. But this had a major skin loss.
It was like this, right? Like dangling.
No, it went like this.
पूरा निकल मतलब पूरा.
This is out. You see this? This is out. तो listen. तो जैसे कट किया, I could sense saliva, his breath with my breath, and I'm like, I was like this, and this dog. This dog is like on my.
Oh God, he love story. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
पता भैया क्या था? वो कुत्ता ऐसे. And I could sense. मतलब मुझे, I'm telling you, 6 months I was traumatized with that breath, that. But then I
But the breath is alive. Oh, by the bite.
No, but I did not cry, okay? अब वो हो गया. उसकी मम्मी बाहर आती है, अरे उसको छुड़ाओ कोई. तो झाड़ू से उसके तेल पे मारा and then he left. जैसे उसने मेरा मुंह छोड़ा ना, तो कुछ तो गिरा. कुछ तो गिरा. तो मैं नीचे नहीं देखी. मैंने खटाक से ऐसे हाथ रखा और मैंने कहा चलो जल्दी चलो. तो luckily they knew a plastic surgeon. She just came on call and then they took me to the hospital. My mom didn't know. मेरी मम्मी को पता नहीं कि क्या हो गया. मैंने बोला भाई मेरी मम्मी को फोन करो. मुझे हॉस्पिटल लेके चले गए. देन उसका भाई.
And you still didn't see your face till then?
मुझे मिरर दिखाई नहीं रहा था कोई.
Oh.
कोई मुझे मिरर दिखा नहीं रहा था. मुझे आइसिंग दी थी. तो वो जनरली ना मेरा जो स्किन था ना वो था इधर. तो मैंने ना थोड़ा आइसिंग किया ना तो मेरा स्किन ही निकल गया. So it was a major skin loss I had. And then मेरे को कोई मिरर ही नहीं दिखा रहा है. मैं ऐसे पड़ी हूँ, मेरे पूरा ब्लड. और वो कोविड का टाइम था. इमेजिन कोई मेरा ब्लड भी क्लीन नहीं कर रहा है. Because they were like, नहीं पहले आप कोविड टेस्ट करो. मैंने कहा भैया कट गया. Can you please give this is important. तो नहीं पहले आप कोविड टेस्ट होगा फिर आपको डॉक्टर छुएंगे. मैंने कहा भैया ये क्या हो रहा है. Then I'm like, I don't know what to do. Then my mother comes, another drama. My mom comes. मैं ऐसे लेटी हूँ. मेरी मम्मी आती है, देखती है. And I'm asking how bad it is. My mom, she started crying. I said, how bad it is? Can you tell me? Then of course she cannot tell me how bad it is. She's
Obviously.
Like, she's crying and she's like, थोड़ा सा है. मैंने बोला क्या थोड़ा है प्लीज आप बताएंगे. She's like, नहीं ठीक हो जाएगा. फिर बाद में the doctor arrived and then she's like, I can do it. This is how it's going to be. We need to patch a skin. तो मैंने बोला okay let's start with the procedure. She's like no, you have to give me a signing thing because we're taking a skin from a different part of your body and then placing it. अब I don't know what to do. I said can you draw and show me. Please draw how my lips.
What have demand कर रही है.
मैंने कहा मुझे ड्राइंग करके दिखाओ ना कैसे मेरे लिप्स दिखेगा. तो she drew and she told me यहाँ शायद आपको कभी लाइफ में कलर ना आए.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, she told me that. She said यहाँ पे आपको कभी लाइफ में कलर नहीं आएगा, आपका लिप का डेफिनेशन नहीं होगा. So a lot of things, but then you know after procedure ये होगा कि you need to go for fillers or second surgery if you want to opt for. But in that time मुझे 12 hours में surgery करना बहुत important था. Otherwise if the wound would have formed, my lip would be really difficult to fill. So मैंने जैसे जैसे करके कर लिया, ऑपरेशन कर लिया, and then अब उसी रात को अगेन मैं रो नहीं रही हूँ. Everybody is little shocked कि why is she not crying?
हाँ तो वैसे
Why
ठीक
is
है
she
वैसे.
not breaking down? Why is she not? And I'm not breaking down. I think my breaking down moment happened after 7 months. That year I traveled to Dubai to show my lip to another doctor, and she rejected me.
What?
She said, I cannot do fillers on your lips.
Oh no, then? Oh, I remember this. हाँ.
That was the time when I broke down. I started crying and how ये मैंने क्या किया, मेरी क्या गलती, you know. I was just loving that dog, and I think my friends, there was a really close friend of mine, he was like, you know, it's okay, तुम्हारा गलती नहीं है. But during the whole process, I prayed to God and I said that you have put me in this situation, you get me out beautifully and gracefully. And I think, look at me now. I did filler, it didn't look good on my lips, I removed it. I have healed beautifully and gracefully. And then I think in that 1 year, my mom is telling me, अच्छा हो गया. वैसे तुमको upper lip था नहीं.
But बात बताओ, thank the dog. Because that dog, first you should thank him, because if that was not for that time, से ना आपके साथ ऐसे नहीं होता ना. Those emotions, those things are making you stronger. Where you are today. Sometimes these things in life shape you where you're supposed to go.
Yeah, but then
वो भी एक चीज था, वो कुत्ते की गलती नहीं था बेचारे, वो
नहीं, मैं
उसके
उसे
उसमें
कभी
वो
blame
कर
नहीं, मैं कभी उसे blame नहीं करूँ, वो तो बेजुबान जानवर है. I will never blame him. I will always blame myself. But then मेरी क्या गलती? I was just loving the pet, you know.
experience था आपके लाइफ के लिए. You had to go through this.
Maybe.
I believe anything good and bad that happens in our life is always a blessing. And I always believe the rejection is rejection is also a bad thing in our eyes, but actually it's a blessing. So these things जो हम मतलब करते आते हो हमारे साथ होते हैं ना, हमेशा अच्छा होता है. कुछ बुरा जिंदगी में कुछ बुरा होता नहीं हमारे साथ, हमेशा अच्छा होता है.
I think, yeah, but that year was a really bad year, and then, you know, that year I discovered that I'm an autoimmune hepatitis patient. So 2020 was a year where it changed me. It really changed me as a person. I started thinking about me then, you know, when I was diagnosed for autoimmune condition and they told me that you have a liver disease. I was taken aback. I said, मैं दारू नहीं पीती हूँ. मैं कोई दूध कॉफी कुछ नहीं पीती हूँ. मैं क्यों लिवर पेशेंट बन गई, you know? So I don't know. And I started, वो एक शेल होता है ना, मैं अपने शेल में चली गई थी. And I said, no, this is not working for me. I need to come out. I need to come back. And that was the time when I decided that I want to do Khatro, to face my fears, to see how strong I am from here till here, or physically. And then, yeah, Khatro also shaped me, kind of. But that year, 2020, changed me as a person when I started focusing on myself. आज मुझे लोग बोलते हैं ना, she's so full of herself. I am full of myself. I love myself more than anybody.
Very
I
good.
am selfish. For me, I will see myself first. So I think,
No, I don't call that selfish. I think you're prioritizing yourself, which you need to do. And I think हमारी दुनिया में लोगों को लगता है कि जो लोग ऐसे करते हैं कि उसका they put themselves first, ये बुरी चीज़ होता है, ये selfish चीज़ होता है. It's not selfish. आप पहला आपको priority दे रहे हो. And every इंसान should do that. Every person should do that. Put themselves first, because आप खुद ठीक नहीं, आप खुद आपका self worth खुद नहीं पता, तो आप किसी को और क्या दोगे? What would you give anybody else? So I think what you're doing is fab. I think that's how it should be.
thank you. So I think since then I've been like kind of, you know, I come out, I go in my shell again, I work on my health, you know, a lot of things I've been doing it, you know. 2 साल खतरों के बाद I didn't take up any work because my health started deteriorating, you know, too much. Like, as I said, I'm a liver patient. I went to I don't want to go into a cirrhosis condition. I still wanted to treat myself in fibrosis. So I was like, no, I'm going to pause everything aside and I'm going to focus on me. I started correcting myself because autoimmune is a lifestyle disorder, you know. I became very disciplined. I started focusing on my health. I gained weight. My face is swollen, this. So हमारी industry में है ना, किसी को पता नहीं होता that what are you going through. But just because you will look fat, लोग बोलेंगे अरे तो मोटी दिख रही है. But you also
Because people don't know I have my thyroid condition.
yes, that's what
मैं
I'm saying.
कितना लोगों को बोलो I have a condition where I am finding it hard to lose weight because my thyroid is really messed up and I'm taking strong medication for it.
So
who do you tell?
Who to tell? So I think when I came out of खतरों, I kind of मैं बहुत दुबली हो गई थी and मेरी medications चल रहे थे. मेरी गलती हो गई थी. Let's stop my medication. Please do not stop your medication. जब तक आप अपने डॉक्टर से पूछो नहीं. I don't know. I just stopped my medication and it just took a toll back. My condition became very bad and 6-7 months I was working non-stop because खतरों से I got that fame back again in my life. And मैं काम कर रही थी 6-7 महीना मैंने काम किया. Then again मेरा health खराब हो गया and I was like no, I need to pause everything and focus on me.
Focus on you.
Correct my food, correct everything. I think I took 1.5 years from a fibrosis stage 4 to I reversed my stage to 1 and then I was like okay, now I'm good in life. Now I'm disciplined, health, like I'm working out, I'm eating good. I corrected my body and I'm like now let's do it on an autopilot mode होता है ना कि चल रहा है. That's when I decided to do Bigg Boss because I really wanted to figure myself out in a way where I want to see if I am put in a spot with so much of stress or so much going on in my mind, can I be able to handle with my condition? And I think it was a detox for me. When I came back from Bigg Boss, I did my test and I was doing pretty well. So I think I'm proud about the fact that I took this decision. And even in the Bigg Boss house, Bigg Boss mentioned कि आप तो अपने से भी लड़के आई हो. So this was my zid. I'm a very stubborn kid, by the way. So this is my zid to do Bigg Boss. Like मैंने कहा मुझे करना है. I want to see how good I can be or how bad I can be.
And you're very good.
Oh yeah, I am the winner.
You're excellent.
Winner, chicken dinner.
People don't realize one thing about you, which I think they've seen a bit in the show, is that how loyal you are.
Yeah.
Because लाइफ में बहुत कम लोग मिलते हैं जो लोयल आप बोल सकते बहुत लोयल है. एंड मेरे लाइफ में मैंने बहुत धोखा खाया, आपको पता है. लोगों ने मुझे बहुत धोखा दिया,
बहुत यूज़ भी किया
मुझे. एंड व्हेन पीपल लाइक समटाइम्स दे से टू मी एवरी ईयर राजी के पास कोई होता है बिग बॉस में, कोई दोस्त वो एक्चुअली सच है बिकॉज़ एवरी ईयर मेरे कोई जाता है.
बिकॉज़ यू हेल्प राजीव, आप हेल्प करते हो. राजीव इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. आई थिंक जितना मैं तुझे जानती हूँ उतना आई डोंट थिंक कोई इतने अच्छे से जान सकता है. आई थिंक यू ऑलवेज वांट टू पुश पीपल अहेड एंड व्हिच यू ऑलवेज डू. यू ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि ये साल इसको भेज देते हैं. And you convince people even if they're not agreeing. You're like, hey, it's a good thing, it's this, it's that. So I think you have that nature. That's your nature. But you are very helping.
Loyalty की बात करें तो obviously I know you're a very loyal person. When I went through my things in life, like I went through a lot of problems in my life with dhokas and all, and people have given me a lot of dhokas in life. I remember very recently मेरे पास एक some people that I thought would never hurt me, जो एक दो लोग थे जिंदगी में मुझे लगा कभी मुझे धोखा नहीं देंगे, कभी मुझे हर्ट नहीं करेंगे. वही लोग ने मुझे बहुत दिल तोड़ा है मेरा. आप तो जानती होगी.
मैं तो ऑफ कोर्स जानती हूं.
एंड दो ही लोग थे जो मुझे बहुत मतलब यहाँ चोट लगी थी. बट एक लड़की थी थ्रू इट ऑल आई वुड से कि मेरा हाथ पकड़ के आया और कहते कि मैं तेरा साथ हूँ, तो हिम्मत मत छोड़. बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी डिस्टर्ब्ड कि मतलब ऐसे लोग होते हैं क्या, मैं कितना धोखा खा के आऊँगा, मतलब मैं कुछ करता भी नहीं हूँ और लोग मेरे साथ ऐसे करते हैं. तूने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा तो तूने बोला. See, I'm getting emotional, so let's not talk about it.
But I think you, Rajiv.
No, but you were there, Sana. You were there for me.
Yeah, of course. And
we've seen a lot together.
We have.
The ups, the downs, and the ugly, and the bad, and the good also. But I want to thank you because not a lot of people stand up for what's right, and they want to, they go with the crowd says or whatever. And you made your point across that he's my best friend, वो मेरा best friend है, हमेशा मेरे साथ रहेगा. वो जो करने करो. वैसे भी इतना बवाल नहीं हुआ, किसी को पता नहीं, but तुमको पता था. And you made a very strong stance about it.
I think हमारे बीच की for us, no Rajiv, we are very clear with each other. हमारा जो communication भी है ना, we don't hold anything back. If we feel bad about anything, दोस्त हो गया, ये हो गया, हम मुंह पे बोल देते हैं. And I think that's the beauty of our friendship. Our communication is very transparent. Like Rajiv is that one person in my life, I know he's not going to judge me. And you know for a fact that she's not going to judge me. Like हमारे बीच में वो कभी वो रहा ही नहीं है. So I think we're very clear and we've always given space to each other कि ठीक है वो तेरे दोस्त है, मैं तेरा दोस्त है. And we know for a fact that हम एक दूसरे के लिए है. So I think वो एक, but आज की रेट में ना लोग बहुत एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. I mean I don't want to name anybody, but a very close friend of mine, very close. मतलब मैं उसे best friend बोलती थी, हक से बोलती थी. And you know, I don't know that he will change towards me. And if I will tell you the reason, you will laugh. Like, you know, मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि क्या हो गया. 2-3 साल से मुझे avoid कर रहे हैं. Like, you know, very social gathering में दिखते हैं तो मेरे से अच्छे रहते हैं. And then, you know, once you're not, you know, you're not, like, I don't know, I mean, that closeness kind of distant. And then there came a point where I was, अब मैं यहाँ बैठी नहीं हूँ कि मैं आपको माफ़ी करती रहूँगी, चलो let go कर दिया, let go कर. No. Then I decided, भाई मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं. आपके रहने से मेरे लाइफ में कुछ नहीं हो रहा. You're the last person to know anything about what's happening in my life. Then why am I even calling you my best friend? A best friend is somebody जिसको आपका सब कुछ पता होता है. आपको तो सबसे लास्ट पता चल रहा है, वो भी मीडिया के थ्रू पता चलता है कि सना की लाइफ में एक्सीडेंट हो गया, सना खतरों कर रही है, सना ये कर रही है. So then I started questioning. I said I don't want them in my life, and I kind of removed.
But do you think trolling, जो trolling होते हैं online, does that affect you? Because I remember recently.
No, late. You know, तेरे को इतना तेरे को affect करती है trolling.
अरे भाई मैं तो शुरू में ऐसा लगता कि मैं कहाँ फंस गया.
But no, but अभी recently जब से मैं Big Boss से आई हूँ ना, मुझे लगने लगी है.
Because पता है क्या है, वो टाइम पे क्या होते हैं ना, at that particular time Big Boss से बाहर आते हैं ना, in the house you feel very safe. लोग ये पता नहीं हम बहुत safe फील करते हैं घर में. ऐसे तो कुछ बुरा ही नहीं हो रहा है हमारे साथ, right? But when you come out these shows, like you don't know me, you have nothing to do with my life. आप मुझे जानते भी नहीं, आपको कैसे इतना हक बन गया हमारे बारी बोलने के लिए?
देख, मेरे को तो पहले कभी भी मुझे ट्रोलिंग बॉदर नहीं करती थी, कभी नहीं. मेरे लिए कभी किसी ने गलत बोला भी नहीं. Like I remember मुझे एक इंटरव्यू वाली पर्सन फोन करती है, she's telling me you've always been a most like a non-controversial person. Why have you decided to go to Big Boss? I said, just I don't know. मेरे में पता नहीं आग लगी थी. मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं पता. जब से मैं बिग बॉस से बाहर आई हूँ ना, तब से मुझे ट्रोलिंग अफेक्ट करती है. लोग मेरे बारे में कुछ बोले मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बट लोग मेरे आसपास के लोगों के बारे में बोले ना तो मुझे वो चीज़ें बॉदर करती है. अब आजकल मेरे लिए भी बोलने लगे, लाइक व्हेन यू बिकम अ पब्लिक फिगर, और आप यू नो आई एम मुस्लिम, but still I'm an Indian at the end of the day. I call myself a cocktail breed. जहाँ मैं महाराष्ट्र की लड़की हूँ, I call myself a cocktail breed. मैं मुंबई की लड़की हूँ. I mean, मैं हिंदू धर्म में भी मानती हूँ, मैं मुस्लिम धर्म, but yes, मैंने अगर बचपन से कोई चीज़ सीखी है तो वो इस्लाम, you know, being a Muslim, I only pray to my Allah. The other gods I like, you know, एक होता है, एक फैन होते हो आप. तो यार that's what happened with me recently. मैं गणपति जी के you know मैंने बस एक फोटो लगा दी. lot of people troll me, आप तो मुस्लिम हो, आप ये हो, आप वो हो, आप ऐसे आप वैसे. एंड मैं उम्रा करके आई थी, अरे आप तो बिकिनी पहनते हो, आप ये हो, आप वो हो. अरे यार मतलब
I think लोग का ना, you went to my house लंदन में, मेरे पास एक मंदिर है साई का, वहाँ मेरा कुरान का भी लगाया है, यहाँ कृष्णा भी है, वहाँ जीसस भी है, वहाँ वर्जिन मैरी भी है, वहाँ बुद्धा भी है, वहाँ नानक, सब है मेरे घर में. और साई, बिकॉज आई एम साई बाबा बिलीवर, सबका मालिक एक है. सो आई थिंक आई नो यू टू वेल एज अ पर्सन. यू आर डेफिनेटली मुस्लिम एंड यू प्रैक्टिस दैट आल्सो. आप पढ़ते हो भी नमाज, बट यू रिस्पेक्ट
every
and that is what a true Muslim I feel is about, or a Hindu is about, because God doesn't tell you not to respect. आप मानते हो एक चीज पे, पर आप सबको इज्जत करते हो, और वो होता है प्रेम, वो होता है लव. And what I know much as I know about Islam, I'm a Hindu. I do 27 roza. I do the 27 roza when in Ramadan. I practice every, because I believe in Islam, I believe in Hinduism, I believe in Sikhism, I believe in all religions. So I don't mind doing namaz, I don't mind praying, I don't mind going to a church, because that's been brought up. But your belief, I know for a fact, is very much in Islam, but you're just respecting another religion. There's nothing wrong with that.
But it's nothing wrong for us, but how people see it, you know, when you become a public figure, there are comments on your post or there are comments on your pictures which kind of affect you. Trolling, not religion wise मैं trolling बात करी, but personal life में भी trolling होती है. आप किसी XYZ person के साथ तो people still comment, loose comments. I mean it does bother, but ठीक है, now I think वो थोड़ा adapt होने time लगता है.
But trollers are the people I feel so now also now. 90% लोग नहीं बोलते, वो just लोग जो उस अपने आप दुखी है, मतलब वो लोग डिप्रेस्ड है, वो लोग उसके माइंडसेट ठीक नहीं, वही लोग बोलेंगे. Someone who's set or someone who's secure in their own skin will not talk like that.
Not talk like
Someone who's unhappy inside, वो उसका खुद life अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है कि कुछ वो होगा, they're spewing out venom to affect the other person. कि उसको लगता है कि मैं उसको तीर मारूंगा ना, उसको affect होगा, मेरे ऊपर निकल जाएगा. ये होता है. तो I don't think Sana you're doing anything wrong. I think you're being yourself, and you know, never be affected by the trollers. वो तो मतलब हमारा काम है करने के लिए. But you're a very strong girl. मतलब वो सामने आ जाएगा, वो भाग जाएंगे देख के. तो ये भी
पता नहीं यार, दोस्ती बोलो या इसमें बोलो ना, I think I've become more calmer. I don't want drama. I want more peace. I want to just be focused on what I want to achieve in life. अभी पहले चीजें बॉदर करती थी, ये दोस्त बात नहीं कर रहा है तो क्या, ये
अरे भाड़ में जाए जो बात ना करे.
अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि ठीक है, ड्रामा कट ऑफ हो रहा है.
I'm the same. Cut the cord. Cut the toxicity. Only good vibes, only positive vibes. And honestly, I believe if someone is not adding value in your life, not materialistic, I'm talking about spiritually, emotionally, if they're not making you happy, if they're not making you secure in yourself and encouraging you,
you don't need them, yeah.
Get out of them. And मैं ये भी सोचता हूँ, और ये मानता हूँ सना, I think you'll agree with this. If your friends, जो भी आपका दोस्त हो, एक hint भी jealousy आती है ना, कि I'm jealous of you,
Yeah.
कि आपने जीता है शो, वो दोस्ती नहीं हो सकती है, वो टिकेगी भी नहीं दोस्ती. If there's even 1% of jealousy from the other person, वो दोस्त नहीं है. They cannot be your friend. I have friends like you around me. You saw my success, and at that time you just come out. You saw what was happening to me, and you are. अब ज़्यादा खुश था मेरे लिए, more than I was खुश.
And I was praising you. I said you should go to Big Boss. You'll look good. You'll look.
वो दोस्त होते हैं, वो सच्चा दोस्त होते हैं. Like I was extremely happy for you when you won. So I'm thinking, Sana, we don't need these people in our lives. We have each other. हम दोनों.
We're happy. Trust me.
हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं.
बहुत.
You know who you are on camera. I'm not going to mention you now, obviously. ये दो फिर हम mention करेंगे. So where do you see yourself now? What is your journey? Where do you want to go? What do you want to experience?
One thing I've kind of learned in life is that if you keep your focus on one thing, you'll get there. So right now, I want to do good work because ये time के लिए ना मैंने बहुत time से सब्र किया है. So I think अब मेरा वो दरवाजा खुला है. मुझे fame नहीं.
दरवाजा खोला नहीं, तो दरवाजा तोड़ के मार गई.
तो बस मुझे भी काम करना है, अच्छा काम करना है. Touch wood, I think I'm doing that. I'm doing it. I'm back to back working. I have a web show coming soon. A lot of things. So yeah.
And lovely songs coming up also.
Yeah.
Do you see yourself in the films?
Yeah.
So that's your goal, that you want to reach there?
See, as I said, I want to do good work and I want to keep working. I don't want to stop. There's no stopping for me now. I have stopped enough. I've taken, बोलते हैं ना, space लिया, breather लिया, but अब मुझे non-stop काम करना है. So I think that's my goal.
If you're not in this industry, आप इसमें नहीं होते, like आप acting नहीं करते, शायद आप modeling नहीं करते, आप क्या करते?
I think मैं कुछ creatively काम कर रही होती. I would have had my own
Police
business. Police, yeah.
Police officer तो अच्छा.
I always wanted to be an aeronautical engineer. I don't know why. Or a narcotic officer.
तेरा प्रेम में कभी ना बैठूं मैं. वो तो गिर जाते नीचे.
और मुझे हमेशा से narcotic officer बनना था.
I can imagine it's a police officer, like an FBI agent.
Agent, yeah, even I think.
Detective, undercovering all the crimes, और जाके मतलब सबको घर पे
Detective
जाते
तो
हैं.
we are, right?
हाँ, वो तो एक जात का detective है. Funny thing is, you know, I believe Instagram is a tool. It's social media is your best friend or your worst enemy. और social media एक tool है जो आपको किस चीज जानना भी नहीं है ना, सामने आ जाते हैं भैया. और मैं क्या करता हूँ, जैसे सब करते हैं, तो इसमें कोई बुराई की बात नहीं. मैं पहला I go on my Instagram thinking, arrow कहाँ है? सना मकबूल, इसको फिर रिएक्शन देखता हूँ क्या बोलते हैं.
And he's somebody who reads comments also, हाँ. फिर ये मुझे बोलेगा, देख तेरे comment पे क्या है.
So we've had a good time together, no?
Yeah, we did.
So Sana, I think the most interesting thing we should talk about.
What?
बहन जी, मैंने सुना है बात कि तू शादी कर रही है.
That's like the talk of the town.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे बाहर से मतलब वो आ रहे कि सना शादी कर रही है.
But one second, राजीव, मैं शादी तो करूंगी ना, और तुझे तो सबसे पहले पता होगा कि मैं किससे शादी कर रही हूँ, कब कर रही हूँ, क्यों कर रही हूँ. You know that, right? I don't know. I mean, जैसे मैं Big Boss से आई, there was no discussion about my win, but the talk of the town was Sana Maqbool is getting married. यार मुझे तो बता दो.
मुझे तो बहुत बुरा लगा यार कि मतलब तू शादी कर, मुझे पता भी नहीं. तो क्यों, कब शादी करेगी तब?
I mean, I'm single till somebody puts a ring on me.
You want a ring?
Yeah.
तो मैं बोल दूंगा उसके बाद.
पर राजीव नो सीरियसली अगर मुझे कोई मिला नहीं तो आपसे ही शादी कर लूंगी।
बट लोग तो लगते हैं कि हम शादीशुदा है। मतलब मैं आया था लंदन से, उससे प्यार से मैंने पप्पी दिया।
आपको पता है मैंने ना इसे 7-8 साल पहले बोला था कि राजीव लेट्स गेट मैरिड, तो राजीव
बात बोलो भाई, ये बात
राजीव ने तब मुझे सीरियस नहीं लिया था।
अब सीरियस हो तुझे क्या? नहीं, हमारे दोस्त में क्या है, आई थिंक मैं सबका रिजर्व पैकेज हूँ सबके लिए, कि सबका शादी नहीं होती तो राजीव तू ही बैठा है। मतलब मैं क्या ओल्ड एज होम खोलूँ क्या सबके लिए? तो आओ आओ सब मेरे साथ शादी करो, एक रूम यहाँ, एक रूम यहाँ, एक रूम यहाँ, मैं बीच में।
नो बट आई एम ऑलवेज प्लान व्हेन आई वांट टू गेट मैरिड एंड आई
What age?
I see myself getting married by this year or by
kids?
next year. Of course, I want kids within like after my marriage of 1 year.
How many?
2?
We're gonna name them.
I don't know.
राजीव नहीं नेम किया ना तो मार दूंगा यहाँ से यार।
हाय ये तो
बच्चा तो राजीव नाम
हॉस्पिटल के अंदर ही आके बोलेगा मेरा नाम।
अभी आई थिंक आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड ना, I'll throw your husband out of the room. कि मुझे वहाँ करना है उसके साथ, कहाँ है अच्छा ये अच्छा बच्चे बॉय और गर्ल राजवी, बॉय है राजीव, हो गया मेरा हो गया भाई।
I see you doing that.
You're going to be having your children भी name. I'm the godparent यार, मैं उसका godparent हूँ ना। चलो ठीक है, शादी करने बताना भाई।
अरे यार तुझे तो पता ही चलेगा ना, बट हाँ लोगों को शायद पता नहीं चलेगा मैं कब शादी कर लूंगी।
तो गेस्ट लिस्ट बहुत स्मॉल होने वाला है टाइम।
बहुत स्मॉल।
अच्छा
just very
अच्छा इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद ना लोग ये शायद देखेंगे ना, तुरंत फोन आएगा, हाय सना हाउ आर यू, लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी, लेट्स गो फॉर डिनर। वो भी रिएक्शन करेंगे कि सबको तेरे शादी में आना है।
पहले मेरा एक इनपुट था कि मेरे को धूम धड़ाके से शादी करनी है, ऐसा करना वैसा करना। पता नहीं यार आई चेंज्ड एज अ पर्सन, आई वांट टू बी लो की एज मच एज पॉसिबल। लाइक अभी सिर्फ मुझे वही लोग चाहिए जो मेरी खुशी में खुश हो। बहुत धोखे खाए लाइफ में, बहुत ट्रस्ट इश्यूज, तो यू नो हाउ मेरे को ट्रस्ट इश्यूज है, वो बहुत धोखे लाइफ खाए और अपनों से ही खाए। सो अभी मुझे सिर्फ वही लोग चाहिए जो मेरी खुशी में खुश हो, मेरे सक्सेस में खुश हो, मेरे काम में खुश हो, मुझे कोई जज ना करे। सो या आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट डे ऑफ माय मैरिज। अभी तो
now after this podcast I have to go make a few phone calls and 5 carats okay?
नो
वो 10 एक में खुश कर दे।
हाँ मैं तो एक में
ड्रिंक तो पहले आ जाए कुछ ना कुछ, फिर बात चले आगे।
सुन रहे हो तुम
मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ? बड़ा चाहिए नहीं तो मैंने क्लियरली बोला है शादी सनमा मुझसे करनी है, आई एम द गेटकीपर, आई एम द बॉडीगार्ड। मैं फिर चेकिंग करूंगा क्या क्या है क्या क्या नहीं है, अंगूठी बड़ी है कि नहीं है। देखो हाँ हम मटीरियलिस्टिक लोग नहीं है, अच्छा अंगूठी होना चाहिए। और मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को मतलब कोई उठा के ले जाएगा तो घर पे, मतलब आई वांट समवन गुड फॉर माय सना। नहीं तो आपको पता है ना चेकिंग लिस्ट शुरू हो गई मेरी,
आपकी भी और इनकी मम्मी की भी। यू हैव नो आइडिया, द मदर्स आल्सो शी ट्रीट्स मी लाइक वन ऑफ हिज, लाइक उनकी डॉटर जैसी मुझे वो समझती है। एंड आई थिंक शी ऑलवेज गाइड्स मी, ऑलवेज टेल्स मी कि चूज अ राइट पार्टनर, यू नो। एंड योर मदर एंड आई थिंक मुझे दीपा
राइट पार्टनर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सना।
More than right partner, I want somebody who understands me and my profession and somebody who gets me. I can be a very difficult person at times because मुझे ना लोग समझ नहीं पाते. I feel that. I'm a very difficult person to understand.
No, I think the person that you marry will be very understanding of you. And let's cut this topic. I wish you were. In your marriage, I'll be there by your side.
Yeah.
So when that happens,
you're my bride.
Congratulations. Come here.
Of course you will be like.
I'm your brother of honor.
Maid of honor.
Maid. तू कहाँ बेस्ट फ्रेंड?
अरे नहीं बट ठीक है ना, लड़कियां होती है, तू लड़का।
बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ ऑनर, मेड बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ जो भी है,
मेड ऑफ ऑनर।
I'll be organizing her wedding. Anyway, बहुत लंबी बात हो गई शादी की। अभी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। Oh, by the way, before I forget, went to Umrah. How was it? By the way, before you start talking, I'm a Hindu and I've always wanted to go to Makkah because I've always been intrigued by it. If they were allowing non-Muslims to go, I would love to go and see it because when I see it, the story, the culture, I'm extremely intrigued by it. So how was your first experience? Because I know it was very touching for you when you first went.
Very touching. I mean, मैंने पता नहीं, मतलब हर एक मुस्लिम के लिए ये होता है that you know, एक हमारा हम काबा बोलते हैं, काबा शरीफ की तरफ हम, you know, we read our namaz and to be present there, it's like I cried like a baby non-stop. मैं रो रही थी, but it just happened.
But where did that emotion come from? Like what?
I don't know. मैं जब जा रही थी मैंने उसको एकदम lightly लिया था. You know, I was like, let me just, मेरा वीज़ा आ गया. I was still, I couldn't believe कि मैं जा रही हूँ. And it just happened. But then अगर आपकी नीयत साफ हो, आपका दिल साफ हो, आपका ईमान साफ हो, so you're there. And I think my vision, my everything was very clear that I'm going for him. Like I'm going for the Malik there.
And they say you can't step foot. आप वहाँ पैर नहीं डाल सकते जो उसका हुक्म ना हो.
So I think it was my calling, and I went there. And I said, "There's no stopping. कोई मुझे दुनिया की कोई ताकत मुझे रोक नहीं सकती." And I made sure, you know, the only one thing if anybody can stop is that women problem you have. And I'm like, please Allah, please don't, you know. And I think I went, and the day I touched the Kaaba, it was everything. And whatever I wished for, that moment, like I wanted to touch the Jannati Darwaza, I wanted to touch the Jannati Patthar, it just happened. It happened as if देखो रास्ता बोलते ना अपने आप खुल रहा था.
तुमने देखा उम्र के बाद तेरा रास्ता कैसे लाइफ में खोल गया. मतलब अल्लाह ने क्या आपको ब्लेसिंग दी वहाँ के उम्र में तुरंत बाद आके.
नहीं, उम्र तो मैं लास्ट ईयर किया था.
लास्ट ईयर के बाद बात तो चल रही थी, मतलब बिग बॉस ये था काम आ रहे थे. मतलब ऐसे थोड़ी है कि मतलब जाओ, मतलब होता है नेक्स्ट डे होता है. पर आपका जो आई थिंक ही वाज वेटिंग फॉर टू गो टू हिम. ही वाज वेटिंग फॉर टू गो टू
But a lot of things, you know, for him also, and I think, you know, there are a lot of gurus I follow. I'm a little intrigued personality. I like to read about people. I'm very curious. ये क्या है, ये क्यों है, ये ऐसे क्यों है. तो हिंदुइज्म की अगर मैं बात करूँ, of course, Kaaba, Makkah is something which is very precious to me. My huzur's, you know, Medina is very precious to me. So I visited that place, and after that when I came back, Hinduism में होता है, you know, ये temple, wo temple. So I got very intrigued, and I'm like, okay, these are going to be my checklist, and I'm going to be visible. I'm going to go there. I'm going to make it a thing that I visit and I study about that place. So I'm a person like that. I will not say that I'm so religious, but I love. मुझे सब अच्छा लगता है. So अब मुझे पता नहीं ये ऊपर वाले की चाह थी कि मेरा रास्ता खुले, but मेरे दिल में ये नहीं आया. मेरे दिल में बस ये था that I want to go to him. I want to see that.
Are you planning to make a trip again very soon?
Of course, very. बोलते ना एक बार आप जाते हो तो बार-बार आप जाते हो.
That power. So do you feel like in life, do you like people manifest things? We manifest things in life. Like manifestation, I believe in a lot. I have visualized things in my life where the craziest things are now. Like I mean, you know, like I have sat back जब मैं 14-15 साल का था और मैं कुछ विजुलाइज कर रहा था, and I have said कि मुझे ये करना है, कि मुझे उसको मिलना है. I'm telling you, सना हो गया है. Manifestation is very real, very powerful and very real. Linking with the divine also is very powerful and very real. Do you feel now coming back from your umrah, coming back from there, like there's a stronger power now guiding you in your life?
Because my vision has become very clear, no? I feel that. You know, in the house also, मेरे को ना अनिल कपूर ने पूछा था आज तक लाइफ में जीती क्या हो. I took it very personally and I questioned myself. I said, actually मैं कुछ जीती तो नहीं हूँ लाइफ में. But then no, I've won a lot in life. मैं आज इस मुकाम पे पहुँची हूँ is a big thing for me, you know. As I said, I come from a very low middle class. मैंने कहा एक middle class लड़की को मैं मिस इंडिया पैजेंट पे हिट करना is a big thing. मैंने कभी जीतने की चाह ही नहीं. मुझे वो वहाँ तक पहुँचना था और मैं पहुँची हूँ. So that's a win for me. जब मुझे वो क्वेश्चन किया था ना, मुझे बहुत लो लगा अपनी लाइफ में. मैंने कहा एक्चुअली मैंने लाइफ में कुछ अचीव तो किया नहीं है. Like there's no winning thing on me. But that's a winning thing for me. When I sat back and I started questioning myself and I was like introspecting कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या हुआ मेरी लाइफ में. मैं मिस इंडिया गई. That was an achievement. I never thought of winning. खतरों में भी मैं सेमीफिनाले तक पहुंची. I never thought of winning. मेरे लिए वहाँ पहुंचना, उतना करना was a big thing. So that was my win. But Big Boss, I had this अलग ही attitude. I said नहीं, मेरे को जीतना है. Come may what. And manifestation. I
remember I was getting cutthroat and I had a house in Versova. I remember you came to my house. वो घर पे आई थी. उस समय मैं बहुत डर रहा हूँ यार, जानवर के साथ मैं कैसे बैठूंगा, क्या करूँगा यार. मतलब and people were like, oh राजीव नहीं कर पाएगा, थोड़ा मोटा है ये नहीं. like राजीव तो कर पाएगा. लेट नीचे लेट. तूने मुझे लिटाया नीचे. वो कहती है ऐसे करते चुहा, ऐसे करते. I was like ऐसे करते.
Monitor lizard chat.
I swear to God ना, तूने मेरे साथ ये किया ना, तो मुझे लगा अच्छा ये होगा. एंड एक्चुअली वो ही फीलिंग था. तो थैंक यू, आपने मुझे, पहले आप झांवर आप ही थे जो मेरे पास आके
आपकी लाइफ नागिन हूँ, बहुत सारी चीजें हूँ.
talk about Nagin. Would you ever do Nagin the show?
Why not? Why not? I would love to.
I think I'm a good Nagin. What do you
I
think?
am a नागिन.
धसती रहती हो.
डस डस नहीं, डस होता है. Oh, sorry.
And let me tell you, Sana loves to travel. She loves her fashion. Coming on to loving to do, well, on her Instagram is D for Diva Sana. Diva तो है भाई क्या? And तो बोलती तू S for मतलब you're the stylish Sana. Do you find it hard because हमारे इंडस्ट्री में क्या आते हैं ना, फर्स्ट ऑफ महंगाई बहुत होते हैं. लाइक आई हैव कम फ्रॉम लंदन एंड लोगों को लगता है कि लंदन में ये क्या चीज़ है, सब अमीर है, ये है. भैया जितना अमीर इंडिया में लोग हैं ना, हम नहीं हैं लंदन में भैया. शायद हम पाउंड्स में गिनते हैं, पर जो इंडिया में जो लग्जरी मिलती है, जो मतलब आई कैन नॉट टेल यू हाउ मच लग्जरीज इन इंडिया. In London, we're doing everything ourselves. I wake up at 8 in the morning, I'm cooking my breakfast, I'm doing this, that, the other, right? Coming here, then now turning to celebrity, we're coming to Big Boss and all that. पैसा बस जा ही रहा है, मतलब स्टाइलिंग में, इसमें, उसमें, इसमें, उसमें. Do you find it tough? Like you always have to be on top of your game?
Of course, it's not tough, but you want to look good. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Like I like it. I want to look good. And I'm not saying I'm wearing one of the expensive dress. I mean, I'm wearing one of the cheapest dress. But how I style it is up to me.
Correct. So it's not about brands. It's about how you style it.
How you style it. How you carry yourself off.
Well, you always carry yourself.
But you know, I feel beauty is within you. It's not. It's within you.
बात बोल दिया आपने.
Class is within you.
ये बात दूसरी बात बोल दी आपने. Money doesn't buy class. So do you feel like going ahead, like when you want to do films, are you finding it a bit hard, like to break in the film market?
Of course, you know, मेरी life में ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी. There have been point where I have reached here in films and it's been snatched away from me. So I'm a little disheartened and broken, and then you know, in anger, I take up a TV show. मैं ले लेती हूँ.
That does really well.
That does really well. But बुरा लगता है कि where are you lacking? Like क्या हो रहा है लाइफ में? Where are you lacking? There's so many people telling me, oh, you're so pretty. You should do films. You should do this. But I'm like, I am trying, but I'm not getting. You know, हमारी लाइन में इतने rejections होते हैं ना, राजीव.
Wow.
We face so much rejection in our
Depression.
life. And that's why depression happens. Because आप अगर दिन में 10 audition दे रहे हो और 10 में से एक भी click नहीं हो रहा है, it's a rejection. It's very 90% we hear no in our lives. So मेरी लाइफ में भी वो एक ऐसा point आया जहाँ मैं बहुत ना सुनने लग गई थी. And I started questioning myself, where am I lacking? What am I doing wrong? मैं कहाँ गलत जा रही हूँ? I don't know. But then as an actor, आपको अपनी skill को, भले आपके पास काम हो नहीं हो, I feel you need to always polish your skills, always. तो मैं अपने आप पे ध्यान देती हूँ. मेरे पास काम रहे नहीं रहे, मैं अपना जिम करूँगी, मैं अपनी क्लासेस करूँगी, डांस क्लासेस, अपने वर्कशॉप्स करूँगी. I want to invest on me. I feel I am the investment.
I think we should start a film together.
Come on.
घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. I think हमारा शो बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. Well, Sana, we're coming near the end of this podcast.
Okay.
And I just want to tell you, she's a very good singer, Sana is. A very good singer. बहुत सुर में गाती है.
Oh no.
और बहुत अच्छा गाती है.
Do you think मैं गाती?
वो तो आपको सुना.
नहीं.
मैं गाऊंगा तो मुझे फॉलो करेगी. लग जा, मैं गाने तो पहला मुझे कि तू बीच में गा के मैं भी बस हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
मुझे पागल है क्या?
कोई बात नहीं. मैं गाऊंगा फिर मुझे रिपीट करना, ठीक है?
Okay.
I'm telling you, all the producers in India, म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर हो, ये पैदा हुई है. नहीं कुछ नहीं है.
Telling you.
मैं गाऊंगा.
Okay.
लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो. अब गा बेटा.
लग जा गले
देख गाना
एक्टिंग करवा ले, मुझे गाना मत गवा.
पूरा गाना प्लीज.
अच्छा ठीक है, बोल गाओ आप, मैं फॉलो.
लग जा. नहीं तू गा कम ऑन.
लग जा गले ना ना ना
हंसी रात
हो ना. नहीं यार, मुझसे नहीं हो सकता.
As you can see, वो बहुत अच्छा गाती है. मैं बहुत उसको अवार्ड मिलने वाला है फिल्म फेयर का. बहुत बेस्ट हो रही थी बहन, सॉरी. बहुत ज्यादा उन्होंने गा पाती. एक्टिंग कर बेटा, सिंगिंग मत कर.
तो मुझसे एक्टिंग करवा ले, मैं गाना नहीं गा सकती.
Okay, last question before we finish.
Yeah.
What makes you happy, Sana Maqbool?
Just being me.
Do I make you happy?
Yeah, you do.
मैंने बहुत कम तारीफ
You are that
की है।
funny person in my life. अगर मैं sad होती हूँ तो मैं फोन करती हूँ.
मैं
अगर
झूठ
मैं
बोल
खुश
तो क्या
होती
कि
हूँ,
पैसा डालो हंसाओ।
मुझे तो वही लगता है. अगर मैं खुश होती हूँ तो I want to tell my smallest happiness with you. I want to share everything with you. I think you're the first person मैं फोन करती हूँ. तुझे पता है आज ये हो गया, तुझे पता है.
एक मीम आया था बाहर, एक कोट आया था कि if my best friend and my chats will ever lead will be finished. ये हमारा chats कभी बाहर आए सना।
We'll be finished.
Oh, we'll be out of the window.
हम एक दूसरे को मतलब
मार
दो
देंगे।
दफा मारने से पहले हम ही एक दूसरे को मार देंगे कि भाई चल.
बहुत कम लोग हैं मेरी लाइफ में जो मैं सब when you can sit in the bathroom on the toilet and talk to your friend without any qualms, मतलब आप बाथरूम के पोर्ट पर बैठते हो और आप खुश हो आपके सब बेस्ट फ्रेंड से बात करते हैं और कोई शर्म चीज नहीं है ना, तब आपको पता है एक लेवल पहुंच के आपके फ्रेंडशिप में और ये दोस्त ऐसी है कि बाथरूम के अंदर क्या कर रहे हैं, बाथरूम में बैठा हूँ, अच्छा और क्या चल रहा है,
और अगर हमें फ्लश भी करना होता मतलब 1 मिनट
म्यूट। Oh, we got to the too early. So that was the end of my podcast. Sana, thank you so much for coming
Thank
on.
you so much.
तो नहीं आती तो तुझे मार तुझे पता है ना. You had to come on this show. I didn't even ask her, will you come? I said, you're coming on this date, please come.
Yeah, I
So
think.
thank you for gracing my show. Because I know तू बहुत podcast नहीं कर रही है, नहीं करती है. नाम नहीं लूँगा, मुझे बहुत वो फोन आएगा. But thank you for coming on this show.
Thank you so much, man.
And दिल से this, I want to say, look, I'm happy God made us meet, and I'm happy that you have won Big Boss because I really think you achieved it and deserved it. And for your whole life, I'm telling you now, you are a star, and I'm so proud that you've finally got your recognition that you deserve.
Yes.
Inshallah, going forward, God is going to bless you even more, and I'm with you every step of the way, and we're going to get the stars together.
Yes.
Love you, darling.
Love you.
So guys, I hope you like this podcast with Sana, the beautiful Sana. And next week, another guest is coming on. I'm sure you're going to have that guest also. So please like, share, subscribe. Jo bhi bolte ho, like, share, subscribe on my channel. And I'll see you for my next episode very soon on Mic Drop with me, Rajiv Datya. See you soon. Thank you.